everyone! Oh! Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you hiding spots telling you hiding spots you didn't know about, or some hiding spots that it might not know about. So, this is one of them, and it's on the doorknob of the taco truck door thing, and it's on the store map. I'm going to be showing you 3 hiding spots on this map, and the rest of the maps I'll figure out when I get them. So what you're going to need to do is there's like a little teleport pad right there, and you spawn right there. You spawn in a drawer right on this dresser thingy? I don't know. This counter thing. And you spawn in a drawer. And then once you get out, you have to leap out of that drawer and go to this teleport pad. It will teleport you, I think, up there. And then you're going to want to walk this way. Okay. I'm zooming out too much. Okay. So you're gonna spawn over here, or over here somewhere. And if you spawn over here, you're gonna walk this way, and walk up. And same thing for here, except you're gonna walk this way and up. Until you can see this big wooden beam, right this part. Not the window, the beam. And then you gotta look down and find where the doorknob is, and you're gonna want to jump onto it. Now, it's pretty hard to get to, but you'll get used to it after a while. And once you get used to it, then it's a really good spot that most people don't know about. I think it's lagging because he's going really slow. I don't really lag a lot in this game, but anyways, let's get to the next spot. I'm not gonna show you it, because it's right there. If I jump off, then he's just gonna go after me. But the next one is on that fire hydrant. You basically do the same thing. You jump out the drawer, you go into the teleport pad. If you spawn here, then you're going to go across this beam and go that way. And then once you're there, you gotta jump onto the fire hydrant. Now it's a little bit more safe. This one's just not... This one is harder to get to because it's smaller, and this one's easier to get to because it's like a bigger target to jump onto. And so, yeah, that's another one. And it's also safer because you can just hide behind that little part. So, yeah, if you spawn here, then of course you're going to want to go there and there. But yeah. Oh god, the time's running out. Oh, I can't show you the other spot, but I guess I'll show you another map spot. Alright, so we are doing the backyard map next. I have 16% of being it, so if I'm it, then... Oh, I'm right there. It was so close to getting into me. Anyways, I will show you some spots on this map that most people don't know about. Now, this one I'm going to show you. Actually, a lot of people know about, but just many people don't check anymore. It's underneath the birdhouse. Now, I don't hide here because it's too obvious for me. Now, that's one of them. Of course, you just go out the birdhouse and then go on under it. So, for the second spot, you're going to want to teleport, or you couldn't teleport if you don't want to. And then you see this little block right here? That actually is an open spot. And you can hide in there, but I'm also not going to hide in there either. But that's actually, you can actually walk into there. And that's a spot. Now, the next one, most its know about, and most its can catch you quickly. This is like the first spot one of the first spots I check, and it's onto this tree. But what most its don't do is they don't try going layer by layer, because it wastes too much time. But some its do that. And I usually check this spot last because, yeah. Now, I don't win as it often, but I do sometimes. But you're gonna wanna, there's a little teleport pad, yeah, right there. You're gonna wanna go on this teleport pad. Let's play some music. Actually, no, that's gonna get me copyrighted, probably. So I go down to the 3rd layer, and I walk into this part. I like to go onto this part, and then play my music, and taunt them like this. Also, I'm gonna be showing you guys at the end a little hack thingy. It's not really a hack, it's really just a tip and a really cool way to get away from it. Sorry. I don't feel the best right now. I wish I could edit that out, but I don't find any haters. Anyways, I think these are the only 2 maps I'm gonna do for today. I know it's only like 5 minutes long, but I just want to show you guys this hack thingy. I think I'll just show you guys now, honestly. It doesn't really care if I get caught because I have all the things in the store except for all these stuff. I have all the pets, all the taunts, all the characters, and I have a lot of credits, so it doesn't really matter if I get caught or not. So basically, you're gonna have to have, I think you have to have the Robux taunt or the Ticks taunt. I'm not sure about the Ticks one. I'm not sure if this one works because I use this one and I haven't used this one in a while. So so basically what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click T and then just keep jumping. See? You just want to like that. It's cool. The first time I figured that out, I was like, I didn't know that was a thing. And I think you fly to your right side, so if you look like this, you're gonna fly over that way. So I think if you do this, yep. It's pretty easy to do. The only thing you need is to get some Robux. It's not that much Robux, it's only 15 or 25. But I'm gonna try using the Ticks. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it right now. There we go. Oh, yep, I'm in that spot I told you guys about. Wait, is that it? Oh, yep, that is it. There we go. Pretty simple, yet pretty not simple, because you need to get Robux. And some people can't get Robux because they need to get food and stuff. And yeah. Hello, people. What are you doing here? You want some Robux? You guys look like you need it. Actually, you could get like an outfit with that. I don't want to be mean to them, but oh well. There you go. Hello! Yep, it's pretty simple to do, yet. And it really gets you away from it. It really separates you from it. Like, look, one time I went all to the other side of the map. And, I mean, you can't do it if you're really close to it. Otherwise, you're gonna get caught. Found 5 out of 13 players. So, I'm going to be ending it here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you use these tips for yourself. Especially this one, because it... Wait, I'm not gonna end it here. Wait. I have to show you guys the Ticks one to see if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the Ticks one to see if it works or not. If it doesn't, then I might die, because I rely on that to survive. Actually, no, I don't. I actually figure out most of my hiding spots myself. Doggy girl, 1-on-1. Okay. Well, doggy grrr. Ooh, that makes sense. Okay, well, I'm gonna test the Ticks one. I think it's gonna work, because it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, it's basically just, yeah. Oh, it worked! It worked for a second. Wait. Oh, I actually don't think it throws you that far. Nah, it's still pretty good. I don't remember there being a TV here. Maybe there was and I was just blind about it, so. Let's go to you, Baymax. Oh god. Okay, maybe I can get onto the TV if I use my flying thingy. Someone tried to do fly me since I was using that tactic. Let's see if I can... Nope, I can't get onto the TV. But I can get in the mouse hole. I can get this coin. I'm not sure if I want to go to it. I'm gonna go this way. Oops, didn't work. I guess you can't do it in areas like this, because I've only been using this since today. I just figured it out. Just wanted to share with you guys. Come on it, try and get after me. I'm over here. Wait, what happens if I look this way? Oopsie. Where's it? I want him to try and come after me. Try me. He's not interested. I guess he's checking up there. I used to go up there all the time. Oh, hello. I'm over here. Hey. I just flew across the whole map. Oh my god. He's probably confused. He's just like, hello. He's probably so confused. Oh god. He's either thinking I'm hacking using admin or just confused. I think he's just confused. So, I don't think you can use this when you're it because you can't draw it when you're it, so. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So you guys know this. I like to use the Robux instead because the Tix doesn't even have a design on it, it's just yellow blocks. Pretty much. I'm gonna go on this one. I like you, T-Rex. Pretty much, that's it. Yeah. Well, bye. I hope you use these tips well for yourself. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.